Good morning. Welcome to another edition of YakAboutAYak. We are on beautiful Arran Lake this morning. Breeze is non-existent. It's like 5-kilometer-an-hour winds out here. It is gorgeous. Let's see what we're going to catch today. So today I'll be using some watermelon pearl Senkos just on a wacky rig like that, white stripe down. Let's see how she does. Wow! Come on! Come on, you bastard! Come on! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Arran Lake. Best bass. Hands down. That's a pig for you right there.
So I decide to move away from the west side cottages, moving in a southerly direction, paddling through the lake at about the 6-foot mark. I'm about midway in the middle of the lake here. Doesn't really matter which direction you cast. You can cast towards the west side, straight to the north, out towards the east side. There's fish all around. I've caught bass in this area, pike, and given enough time, you'll hook up with a nice big one. So let's see that zoomed in and in slow motion. Isn't that a thing of beauty?
So it's about 7:45 this morning, and I just landed myself a 2.5-pound pig. The other one's about a pound. Them's good eatins. Gonna have a good shore lunch today.
As I weighed the fish, I was right on with the bigger one being about 2.5 pounds. The smaller one though, that was a good 1.5 pounds. This shallow area that I'm in right now is on the northern tip of Lake Arran. It's only about 1.5 to 2 feet deep in this area, but there's a lot of lily pads, reeds, a lot of cover for fish.
Alright, we've been fishing out here for about an hour or two. The Senkos aren't working anymore. Sun's up, it's getting a little hotter, so we're going to switch over to good old-fashioned worm harness, double hook, and with a bit of a spinner on the top. So we'll give this a shot and see how it works. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Ugh. Well, that's the result of a worm harness. Good old-fashioned sunfish.
The interesting thing about Lake Arran is that it's got a lot of different types of areas. The area I'm fishing in right now has a lot of trees and limbs. You can catch a lot of snags in this area, so you got to be careful. I'm just fishing it shallow, just below the surface, reeling in the wacky rig. There was a couple of bites in this area, but didn't manage to hook up with anything. Giving it one more try. Then I decided to move into another area of the lake. Although I had the camera rolling here, it unfortunately wasn't pointed at the grand prize winner that I pulled in. But you do get to see some of the weeds that I brought in with the fish.
Oh yeah, that's a good day. Look at that baby. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Pike and bass. 3 pike, 3 bass. That's a good day. I'm scaring all the pike around me. It's time for me to head home. So it's been a very successful day here out on Lake Arran. I've caught 3 bass, 3 pike. The limit is 6 each. I'm well within my limits. I've had a great day. Sun is blazing. It's 1 o'clock now. Put in the time. Started at about 7, put in good 6 hours worth. 6 fish an hour. Till next time, this is Black Sparrow for YakAboutAYak. Take care.